Hello teacher, my name is Ingrid Joana Murcia Vega, boosting in management technology students. You learned an human routine in Colombia routine. Yosenon massacred more than 100 hundreds of social leaders and human routine different. Above the four during protest crimes committed by the military and police. Huge levels of sexual and gender-based violence, lack of state presence in rural areas, as well as in increase in homicides of the indigenous people, are related in the annual report of Michelle Bachelet Office in Colombia. Because of the above, human rights are not being respected in Colombia. Thank you.